Shakas, hello crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with day number 12. Day number 12 of our 24 days of Secret Santa swap hosted by Scrappy Tate. And here we go with day number 12. It's beautifully packaged like all the other days. And sorry for the crinkling. Let me just cut in here. Okay. Oh, this is beautiful paper as well. Look at this. How cute is this? It's like a, I don't know, is it like an apron shape? But she's got the front all puffied up with this little reindeer guy. It's merry and bright. And because of shipping, it's gotten a little, but it's all good because it's still beautiful. So let's see what's inside. Okay. Look at the paper inside too, but oh, so cute. This is so cute. Cute. See that paper on the inside too, the gingerbread? Too cute. Okay. So, tissue paper. Ooh. Yes, I love me some coffee. Thank you so much. I can always use coffee. Oh yes, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Secret Santa. Thank you, thank you. I'm going to take this one to work and use it at work. So for more videos like these, see here. To see what I get for day 13. Be back tomorrow. Until my next video, shakas.